Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do Excel chapter 5 independent project 5-4. I have done this assignment many times for many students. I will do this assignment step by step and you will get done your assignment by watching my complete video. If you need complete solution of this assignment or if you want me to do this assignment, then you can easily contact me through my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description of this video. If you are busy or if you are not able to do your assignment, then you can easily contact me and I am available for your help. I will provide you A plus grade in your all assignments. I can also do Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access. So if you need complete solution of this assignment or if you want me to do this complete course, then I am available for your help. Now start the assignment from step number 1. So our first step is open the Wilson Home 5 workbook from your student data files and save it as your initial Excel 5-4. So I have already saved my Excel file. You can see here, this is our cash flow, this is our period sheet, this is our champion sheet, this is our Rockford and this is vendor sheet. So question number 1 is complete. Now I'm going to do question number 2. Question number 2 is group edit and format sheets. So question number 2 has 4 steps A, B, C and D. So first step is step A. Step A is click the Rockford sheet tab, press shift and click cash flow tab. The rock sheet is visible so that you will be able to see format change. The vendor sheet is not part of the group. So I will select Rockford sheet tab and then I will press shift and then I will select cash flow sheet. So just go to Excel sheet and click Rockford sheet tab and then press shift and then select and then click cash flow sheet. Okay. So part A is complete. Now I am going to do part B. That is our next part. Click the launcher in the page setup group, page layout tab and click margin tab. So go to Excel sheet and go to the page layout tab and go to page setup group, click on margins and click on custom margins. Okay, this margin dialog box is open. Now I am going to do next part, that is our part C. Choose horizontally from the center on page list and click OK. Now I will choose horizontally and then I will click OK. So our part C is complete. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part D. Edit the content of cell A10 to read cash paid for marketing. Now I will change the name of cell A10 as cash paid for marketing. So first copy this cash paid for marketing. Control C. So select cell A10. This is cell A10, that is cash paid for promotion and I will change its name by cash paid for for marketing and then press enter. OK. I have changed the name of cell A10 as cash paid for marketing. So our question number 2 is complete. Now I am going to do question number 3. Question number 3 is format values for negative number display. Question number 3 has part A, B, C, D, E and F. So our part A is select cell B4 to B25 and click number launcher home tab number group. Now first select this range, Control C to copy this range B4 to B25 and select this range, Control V. This range is selected. So part B is select currency as category, go to number group and go to currency, choose 0 decimal places. Here you can see that column B values has 2 decimals, so decrease decimal 2 times. Click on decrease decimal 2 times. Now part D is confirm or select dollar as symbol, go to number group and open number dialog box and you will see the dollar is already selected. Okay, I have verified this. Now click on that, select the option to display negative number in red with parentheses. So red parentheses, click on last one. Okay, and then next part is last part, part F. Click OK and then click OK. Okay, you can see that I have calculated the values of B8, B9, B10. So question number 4 is insert formula on group sheets. Question number 4 has part A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So our part A is select cell B13 and click the auto sum button home tab editing group. Now just select cell B13, B13. This is cell B13 and click auto sum button home tab editing group. So go to home tab and go to the editing group. You will see auto sum button. Click on this one. Click on auto sum button. Okay, and our part B is reselect the range B4 to B12 and press enter. So our range will be B4 to B12. This is B7 to B12. So change it B4 to B12. Okay, and then press enter and you will see that I have calculated the values of B13 by using the sum function. Now I'm going to do next part. Select cell B22 and sum cell B15 to B21. Now just go to Excel sheet and select B22. This is cell B22 and sum cells B15 to B21. Go to sum function, click on sum button and range will be B15 to B21. This is B17 to B21, so change it to B15 to B21 and then press enter and you can see that I have also calculated the values of B22 by using the sum function. Now I am going to do next part, part D. Select cell B23, the formula add cell B13 and B22. So just go to Excel sheet and select cell B23. So this cell is already selected, cell B23, and then the formula add cell B13 and B22. Now I will verify the formula in cell B23, that is equal B13 plus B22. Okay, and next part is select cell B24. This value is manually entered on each location. Now I will verify the formula in cell B24. This is 32575. Okay, now I am going to do next question, part F. Select cell B25, the formula add cell B23 and B24. No, select cell B25. This is our cell B25. The formula adds cell B23 and B24. No, I will verify this formula in cell B25, that is equal sign B24 plus B23. Okay. So our part F is complete. Now I'm going to do last part, that is part G. Select cell E1 and ungroup the sheets. Now select cell E1. Okay. So our question number 4 is complete. Now I am going to do question number 5. Question number 5 is build 3 static data consolidation for cash flow sheet. So question number 5 has part A, B, C, D. So part A is click the cash flow sheet and select cell B4 to B12. So first copy this range B4 to B12 and go to cash flow sheet. This is our cash flow sheet. This range is selected. Part B is use sum to consolidate the data from period, champagne and rock sheets. No, I will use consolidate and sum functions to calculate the values. Go to Excel sheet. This range is already selected. Go to data tab and go to the data tools group and click on consolidate button. Consolidate box is open. So range is B4 to B12. So click on reference box and click on query sheet and range is B4 to B12. B4 to B12 and then click add and then click reference box and then click champagne sheet, then click B4 to B12 and then again click add and then click on Rockford sheet and this range is already selected and click add. Okay, and then click OK. So I have calculated the values of B8, B9, B10 and B11 by using consolidate box. Now I am going to do next part or part C. Part C is select cell B15 to B21 and consolidate data from the location sheets. For this command, you will need to delete the existing reference in consolidate dialog box. Now our range will be B15 to B21. First our range was B4 to B12. So go to Excel sheet and go to the data tab and go to data tools group, go to consolidate button. First delete these all ranges that I did use to calculate the values. Okay, click on reference box and click on query sheet and range will be B15 to B21. B15 to B21. So again click on add and click on champagne sheet and range is B15 to B21. This range is already selected, so click on add. So go to Rockford sheet and range is B15 to B21. This is already selected. Again click on add. Okay, and click OK. So I have also calculated the value of B6 and B7 by using consolidate box. So our part C is complete. Now I am going to do next part, that is part D. Select cell B24 and consolidate the cash balance from the location sheet. Now I will again use consolidate box. Our cell will be B24. So select cell B24 in cash flow sheet. This is our cell B24. Go to data tab, go to consolidate button Okay, first delete these all ranges that I did choose. Just click on reference book, go to period sheet and go to cell B24. Click on cell B24, click on add and then go to champion sheet and select cell B24. This is already selected, click add and then again go to Rockford sheet and B24 will be, and click on B24 and click add and click OK. So I have also calculated the value of B24 and B25 by using the consolidate button that is in data tools in data group. So our part D is complete and question number 5 is also complete, and your 50% assignment is complete. If you need complete solution of this assignment or if you want me to do this assignment, then you can easily contact me through my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in description of this video. You can hire me for your complete courses and I am available for